In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage a course when the class is over, whether it's at the end of the semester or at the end of the school year. At the end of the semester or school year, you can archive any classes you're finished with. You can unarchive a class if you want to use it again. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's take this first class, and I want to put it in the archive. So I go to the three dots, I click on them, and it gives you 4 different options: move, edit, copy, or archive, and we want to archive it. So let's go ahead and click archive, and then a second screen comes up to make sure that you are sure you want to archive it. Archive classes can't be updated unless you restore them. This class will be moved to the archive classes, and class files will remain in Google Drive. So you will still have access to the class files in your Google Drive. So let's click archive. And notice that it is gone from the classroom screen. So let's go ahead and see where it is archived. So go to the main menu, which is at the top, and then scroll to the bottom where it says Archive Classes. And you can see there's the class that I put in the archives. At any time, I can go to the archive classes and restore them if I want. Students, however, do not have the option to archive classes or to restore it. So let's go to the 3 dots and see our options. You can move, you can copy, restore, or delete. If you delete a class, there is no way to undo deleting it. If you click delete, you'll no longer have access to any class posts or comments. However, you can still access any class files in Drive. So if you click delete, you will have a screen pop up that tells you that exact same thing that I just stated. You will no longer have access to any posts or comments that have been added in this class, but your class files will remain in Google Drive. You can't undo this action. So if you want to delete it, it's gone forever. So I'm going to cancel that because I don't want to delete it. What I want to do is restore it. So what I do is go to the 3 dots, scroll down to restore, click on restore. It tells me that you and your students will be able to interact with this class again. The class will be shown in classes in the classroom menu. So let's hit restore. Let's go to the main menu up here and go to classes, and you can see that it's been restored. So a few things to remember is that teachers and co-teachers are the only ones that can archive a class. If they do archive, it's archived for all teachers. Students can view archived classes. No one can use the class, however, unless it's unarchived. So what happens to the class materials in your Google Classroom when you archive? You can still access any files in Google Drive, including any attachments or assignments or other student work, and that is applicable to students and teachers. So that is how you manage a course when a class is over.